Welcome to our video on the culture of watermelon in Africa. Did you know that Africa is one of the largest producers of watermelons in the world? In this video, we'll explore the history and significance of watermelon in African culture, as well as its cultivation and consumption. Watermelon has been grown in Africa for thousands of years. It is a staple crop in many African countries, and is often a key source of income for farmers. The watermelon is not only used as a food source but also has cultural significance.
In some cultures, it is used as a symbol of fertility, and in others, it is used in traditional medicine.
In addition to its cultural significance, watermelon also has many health benefits. It is high in hydration and antioxidants, and low in calories. The cultivation of watermelon in Africa is often done by small-scale farmers using traditional methods. However, in recent years, there has been a shift towards large-scale commercial farming using modern techniques. The watermelon industry in Africa is also facing challenges, such as climate change and competition from imported fruits. Finally, let's talk about how watermelon is consumed in Africa.
It is often eaten fresh and can also be used to make juice, jams, and other products.
Watermelon is also used in traditional dishes, such as a West African salad made with onion, pepper, and watermelon.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching our video on the culture of watermelon in Africa. We hope you've learned something new about this important crop and its significance in African culture. Thanks for watching.